everyone, welcome back to my channel Movie Tips after 3 long years. So I know it's been a long time since I have posted a video, 3 years. But this 3 years has changed my life. I have gone through a lot of ups and downs and so many things through this YouTube, I get to know some wrong people, get to some trouble, some fake accounts and everything. A lot of mess has happened. After that, I got my first job, then I left it. I lost my grandparents, my grandmother, my granddad. So, a lot more has happened. I started my own company, but whatever happened, good or bad, the initial start was from this YouTube channel, and life has again taken me to the same position where 3 years back I thought I will leave this cybersecurity, but maybe I couldn't. And again, I am in the same position. So I thought to restart this channel again. I don't know how many people will see this video because I know a lot of audience has been like off from my channel, so they won't get the notification to see the video. But still, I am making this video, like maybe in future if it gets viral or anything happens with my channel, this would be the video that I will show them that why I was not doing YouTube for so many years. Well, the video that I am going to share was shooted last in 2022. Yeah. So that time I thought to post it, but as I said, so many things happened. I didn't got the time to post it, and I just stopped it. So the video was shooted that time, so I'm posting that, and all the details I am recording now. Just the whole visual is of 3 years back, so bear with it and see the full video. And I hope so many people who are with me will again be back with me, and I will get more followers, because from now I will be consistent. I will post literally good contents, and I will post all the content that I thought I will post 3 years back, but I couldn't, and I will continue with that as well. So
So when I completed my Microsoft Student Ambassador Beta role, they sent me so many gifts like this certificate with my name, one card having my name with the Microsoft Student Ambassador logo. They had sent some more gifts that include this cute bottle. It's a good one to use. That also Microsoft logo is given. Some other cute things like this Rubik cube has been given. This was also cool. One cute little ball has been given, spongy ball, and some other stuffs as you can see. These are wristband type of things with student ambassador Microsoft was written over it. It was in 3 color. I just tried once. It was cool. Like they have given literally very good gift. They also given a socks written in Microsoft logo. This was also cool. All my gifts are just as like I would use it just as a kept it as a gift only. This is an iCard from Microsoft. This was also very cool. Uh, I kept all of them just in my showcase. I don't use any of them after making this video. They also gave a t-shirt. It was cool, but this also I haven't used, I guess, because this all are like a achievement type of thing. So I keep it. So some stickers also they given that you can use on our laptop or anywhere. It looks very cool, but that also I haven't used. Anyways, but all these gifts were like totally very much good to someone who will get it. Like at that age I was very happy because getting gifts like this was something very much exciting, but now I feel this is like it's good for the student life. But I'm posting this for all those people who are currently excited to join this MLSA program.
well, you will get all this only if you pass the target for alpha, beta, and another one is there, that is gold, but that is a bit more tough. And if you pass that as well, you will get more gifts. So that depends upon you. So hope you have liked this video. So for more videos on tech stuffs and cybersecurity stuffs, follow my channel. I will be consistent from now, and I hope I won't stop and life won't get more bad than I faced 3 years. So thank you. Bye bye.